Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Whether you've been here before or this is your first time, I'm happy that you are here. So as you saw in the title, in today's video, we're gonna be having a bake-off. Me and Evan are each gonna bake a cake, and then you guys can let us know who won. Obviously gonna be me, but he's right here, but he doesn't want to be in the first shot. So I'm going to pan down to our workspace right here, and that's all I got for you, so let's go. Alright guys, here are the cakes that we're making. I'm making chocolate cake and using vanilla frosting. Evan's making a yellow cake and he's using cream cheese frosting. I was gonna have us share our ideas for our cakes, but apparently Evan doesn't have an idea for his cake. So we're just gonna get to baking and see where we end up. So first, we're gonna follow the directions on the box and start mixing our cakes. Time to start. First, beat cake mix, water, oil, and eggs into a bowl. So first, open the box.
Probably should have trash can closer for the eggs.
You, I hate eggs. Garbage! I could reach that.
I don't see how that's going to really help me that much. It's still really far away. Like,
it's right there. You can get up. I'm gonna be getting up because I'm not gonna wanna.
but that's a long way to go with a broken eggshell.
You wanna be like the fancy people and have a bowl for your eggshells?
Sure.
Oh, we have kitchen scissors. We're faded.
God.
Not to make a mess because you're probably gonna make a mess.
Oh, there we go. We got something on our scissors.
Oh, it got on me! Why?
Figured they might want to be able to see the perfection because this one looks so much better than yours.
Yeah, okay. You got cake on the side of yours. Food dead.
You had to scoop from one cake pan to the other just to make that one fill up.
You only had one! I had to add a challenge. Anyways, now let's put them in. Okay guys, so the cakes are in the oven, so while they are doing their thing, I'm going to be making different colors of frosting. I feel like I don't need that many colors. First, I'm just gonna loosen up the frosting. I'm just making everything dirty. We'll just run the dishwasher, so it's okay. It's supposed to be dark blue. So hopefully, if I only use a little bit, it'll be light blue. So this one's our neon orange, it says. I don't really want it to be neon. Bev, I need help, I can't open this one. I'm just seeing what color I get, because if you put too much, you can't go back. But if you put not enough, you can always add more. You're welcome for that tip. Those are my 3 main colors for decorating, but I'm going to put normal in between the layers and probably do a thin layer around the whole cake. That's just regular vanilla white, and then decorate using these colors and a little bit of sprinkles that I have. So I will be back when the cakes are coming out. Took the cakes out, so now they are cooling.
Is this gonna come out super easy? Let's see. Oh!
Too late now, you flip it. Pretty good, but I want to level it.
One vote that mine's gonna be better than yours. My mom's gonna vote for mine.
I forgot one major thing I probably should have done before I started icing, but it's okay.
What was that?
I can't tell you this is a competition. You need to.
I know what you're doing.
What am I doing, huh?
You're gonna make it into an 8.
No. Here is my finished cake. It is Easter egg inspired because today is Easter. I have Easter colors, pink, blue, and orangey yellow in there, and my sprinkles for the middle. And here's Evan's cake. Would you like to explain your cake?
It's an Easter bunny. I'm serious. Can't you see that that's a bunny?
This is gonna be upside down.
It is clearly a bunny. There's the eye, the nose, the pink ears, and the whole body. And then icing everywhere else, because cake without icing sad.
And there are our 2 cakes.
Everybody's eating their cake. We're getting opinions here.
I like this one better.
I like the vanilla one better. You like the vanilla?
Yeah, that vanilla.
No, number 1 is the colorful. We like number 2 bunny cake. So far, 2 bunny cake.
Yeah.
2. Number 2. Chocolate. Chocolate. 2 chocolate. It's a tie.
They're both good.
Chocolate.
I like the
number 2.
They both made me sick.
Chocolate's good.
the chocolate is thin, but
I like the chocolate.
You like the chocolate?
Frosting is better.
I like
Number two.
though.
We had to do a combo to make it one good cake.
number 2. She said number 2.
I like chocolate.
I like the frosting on vanilla, but I like the chocolate cake too. So both? Both. They were both good. Yay!
Okay guys, that was us doing our little bake off for Easter cakes, because today is Easter and we have a party to go to, so we're gonna bring our cakes and see how everyone likes them. Let us know in the comments who you think won. What's our prize? Do we have a prize for winning?
Bragging rights.
Bragging rights. Okay, so bragging rights and a back massage.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah.
I'm
So
only doing the back massage if I win.
okay, we'll vote for Evan then, so I get a back massage.
Wait. No, I get it.
No. You said only do a back massage. You're gonna do a back massage if you win. So you heard it from him. If he wins, he'll give you a back massage.
I'm not gonna give
Thank
everyone
you.
a back massage.
You give me one, not
I thought
everyone.
you said everyone.
Yes, he's gonna give everyone now one apparently.
No.
Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully you come back and see my next video or go back and watch all my other videos. Thanks. Like, subscribe. See you later. Goodbye.